Stone-Veneer panel siding adds the look of stone without the need for a mason. Here's an overview. Installation begins with a starter strip, installed level at the bottom of the wall, with a WRB lapped over its flange. Panels are designed to be seated in the strip, and fastened through the nailing flange with corrosion-resistant screws or nails. Full panels require 4 fasteners, with at least 2 penetrating into solid framing. Panels also have tongue and grooves that need to be fully seated from one panel to the next. To cut panels, use a grinder, circular, or miter saw outfitted with a mason blade. Where a panel's factory edge meets a cut edge, locate the tongue and remove it to achieve a snug fit. Corner panels are designed with 2 finish ends, and are cut in order to create 2 usable ends for left and right facing installation. These are cut at random lengths to stagger joints in subsequent rows. Inside corners use the same cut corner panels, with one cutoff facing left and the other facing right, again using random lengths to stagger joints. Finally, at doors and windows, panels can be installed up to the trim with the edge exposed, or into a J-channel depending on the desired look.